I'm testing the ventilation, guys. As you can see, it's cutting out. This is the basswood, and I'm testing it on the smoke eliminator made by Bamboo Lab. And I went outside and there was no smoke coming out and no smell. So this printer is like sealed itself off, and this thing filters it right out. I'm gonna try one without it connected too as well. But yeah, no smoke, none going into my other printers. Very little. I can smell it in those, and that's it. I can't believe there's literally no smoke coming out of here, and I can't smell it. It's crazy. So that's how good it protects the smoke. Now, as far as cleaning on the inside of the printer, we'll have to look into that in the future. But yeah, that's wild how good this air filtration system works that they produce. Completely insane. And now it's cutting it out. It's almost done. So I've tried a couple projects now just to see. Look how smoky it is in there, guys. You can see from the outside view. It's just insane. It's definitely burning its way through. So let's wait and see this thing come out. It says it's safe to open the door now. There's no smoke. Crazy. And there's no smoke. Wow, I can smell it, but that's because there's burnt wood right in front of me. Let's get this thing out of here. Let's get it out of here and check it out. I don't want to knock everything over, so I'm being very careful. That's pretty cool. My first like laser cutting job slash whatever. Let's pick it up and see what it looks like. Let's see if it drops all the pieces in. Well, pretty good. Let's see if we can knock this one out without breaking it. See if it cut it out clean. Got my finger caught in it kinda. Let's try again. Doing that more. Oh yeah, there it goes. Falls right out. See if we can knock the 9 out. Oh yeah, look at that. Does a good job. Just gotta kinda knock it through without breaking it. Now, it's a matter of knocking this one out without breaking it. I don't think it's going to break that easy, guys. So let me get a clock thrown into that and see what we think of it. All I have on hand is the clock that came with my X1 printers. I got 2 of these actually, so I figured I might as well use one. It was like a gift. You can buy it right off the Mega World section on Bamboo's site. And I'm going to go ahead and try to put this together and see what I can come up with. Very impressed. Works fine. Got the clock in. Now I'm going to see if it holds some time. I'll give it like 10 minutes, see if it's kind of going along with the flow. Beautiful little clock. Haven't stained it or anything yet, but I may do that in the future. Basically just testing the smell test kind of and seeing what I can do with this thing. So while I let the clock kind of test and see if it's holding time, which has nothing to do with the laser, just want to do that, I'm going to show you how easy it is to switch back from laser to 3D printing again, because I will use the 3D printer part a lot more than the laser, but the laser's an awesome feature. I'll do a lot of stuff with that. There's a lot of scale items I can make, like pallets and chairs and all kinds of stuff for the scale garage. So let's get into it. So first thing I'm going to do is go up here and I'm going to unplug that. Now there's your plug that plugs in the laser. I'm going to go ahead, take this, slide it up, and set it right here. That gives me a lot more room for reaching up to get the air assist nozzle off. So now it's up here just like you would a PTFE tube, is it? And I'm going to go ahead and disconnect that real quick. I think it'll be real quick. And that's it. I can pull these down out. Got the hose out of there. Boom, got the laser out, and that's it, guys. All I got to do now is pop the front back on. So I'll do that right now so I don't forget, because that's what will happen. Put that up here like that. I think I push it on, snap it. Boom, got that all back in. I've already got the build plate out. So now I just got to chuck a smooth plate in there, because that's what I'll be working with next. And I'm ready to go back to 3D printing. So that's pretty slick. Pretty easy to deal with, pretty easy switch out, and that's important to me because I was like, how will I make time to use this when I'm always 3D printing? And that shows you right there how slick it is. It's all ready to go again. Boom. All right, let's continue. Well, guys, as you can see, it's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock on the clock. So these kits from Maker World are awesome for making little clocks and stuff on the laser. All right, let's have a look at this in detail. Look at the detail on that. So I haven't stained it or nothing. I've already looked at it a couple times, but guys, I'm impressed with this thing. So I'll be doing lots more laser projects here in the future. Make sure you're following along. Thanks for watching today, and check out my Instagram, check out my Facebook, check out TikTok, but also subscribe here. Thanks again.